problem with my Laserdisc player. Um, the Laserdiscs are kept upstairs. The player is kept downstairs, so I barely use the thing, and I always want to. And then a new problem arose. The drawer won't open. So now even if I want to watch one, I cannot. I think it's time to fix it.
Well, it's voiceover Derek here. This is where I screw up recording things and there's absolutely no audio. So here I am trying to turn on a Laserdisc player that is not plugged in. And here it is, after I remember. Turns on. I try to find the eject button looking through the camera viewfinder, and nothing happens. Trust me, there is a motor whirring and nothing going on. If you hit the side of it, sometimes it pops open, but I figure that's not a good way to do this. So here I am taking the lid off, and inside, surprisingly enough, is a Laserdisc player. This is me pointing to where I think the belt is, and I'm not even close. I've unscrewed the upper mount that holds the magnet, which keeps the Laserdisc in place, and there's the belt. I take it off and I replace it, and in the video out number 1 slot, an RCA cable has broken. I remove that, and that should fix everything that's wrong with this player. That is where the Laserdisc player will live, in my sitting room, underneath my receiver that I still have to take off the stickers from the Goodwill. Those are all my records, and you're going to have to excuse if I sound a little exasperated. I cannot figure out how to do voiceovers, and this is about the 4th time I've done this. Those are my Laserdiscs, and that's a TV. And that's a Laserdisc player again. And it works. And let me tell you, fixing this thing was not difficult, and it did not take long. Doing a voiceover, this is about the 4th time I've tried to do it. I wish you could hear it spinning up. It sounds like a small jet taking off. And what do you know? It works. And we're watching a little Star Trek 2 just to test.
So that was a nice, easy fix. Simple belt replacement. They can't all be exciting, but it is still a victory. I'll take it. And the Laserdisc player is now hooked up, ready to go at a moment's notice. I don't like that it's hooked up to an LCD TV, a modern flat panel. I'd much rather have it hooked up to a CRT, because that's where it's really going to shine. I only have one CRT currently, and there's no room for it there at all. But with that, I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope everything is going well for you. This was a nice, easy video for me to make to get back into the swing of things. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. I will do my best to get back to you. And thank you very much.